Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week. First thing what you need to do, you need to get off from your Instagram and you need to go on your settings on your phone, and here you need to type on the search box for time and data, or just data and time, I don't know, it could be shown on your side. Here you need to turn off the size, and on the data side you need to choose up 1 week before to take up to this trick. And now we're gonna trick not only our phone, also Instagram side. Now you need to make that easy, and then you need to get off from it when you take the data on 1 week before, and then you need to go on your Chrome and you need to log in into your Instagram account on Chrome, and right after that you need just to type on your profile section and go for your left upper side on the settings bar, then select edit profile and scroll down, and as you can see there you have temporarily disable my account. Click on that selection. Here we need to fulfill all these informations to say why you are doing that, to continue, and you need to re-enter your password, and then you're gonna be able to temporarily disable your account, and that without waiting a week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.